Hello, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to make towels cleaner. Yes, very effective towels cleaner that is going to remove very tough stain very easily. So in here is my bucket of water. This is the main basin we are going to use for the production. It contains 3 liters of water. So today we are making 5 liters of tiles cleaner. So here is another bucket of water containing 1 liter of water. So this is my caustic soda. It is 100 gram caustic soda. Then this is my very concentrated hydrochloric acid. Yes, that I covered it because is exhuming fumes and is very choky. So here is my 250 ml of sulphonic acid. So these are what we are going to use for the production of this towels cleaner. So this particular product is very is kind of, don't allow it to touch your skin because it can irritate the skin. Yes, because of the type of chemicals that we'll be using, because we are all using hard, very corrosive chemicals here. So please, and you have to produce it outside your house, a place that is well ventilated. So let's go. So right now, I am going to cut open my caustic soda and add it into the 1 liter of my water. So this is 1 liter. I'm going to add it here, stir it very well and leave it while I continue with my other productions. So if this is your first time of visiting my channels, please do well to subscribe. I have other interesting productions like air freshener, liquid soap. Do well to check them out. They're all in my channel. I have so many productions in my channel that I know you would like to see and practice. Thank you. So right now I will be adding the caustic soda. So add it. Even the caustic soda also exudes one kind fume. So you add the caustic soda to your 1 liter of water. Stir it very well. Just stir it and leave it. So after that, we are going to, in our main production bucket, we are going to add our sulphonic acid inside of it. You stir it very well. Stir it up to 10 minutes so that the sulphonic acid can blend very well with the water. Yes, so stir it very well. You see what stir it very well, so that the water and the sulphonic acid will blend well. So after you must have stirred it very well for like 10 minutes, you then add in your caustic soda solution and stir it again for another 10 minutes so that the chemicals will blend together. You will notice that your solution is kind of thick now. Yes, you will notice that the solution is kind of thick. Continue to stir it very well for 10 minutes. So at this stage, carefully add in your hydrochloric acid. This hydrochloric acid is 1 liter. Carefully adding your 1 liter is very choky. You will see smoke coming out from this my production. That is to tell you that this my hydrochloric acid is very concentrated. Do not allow it to touch your skin, please. please. So right now you stir your production very well for another 10 minutes. So at this stage, if you wish to add color, you can mix your color with a little quantity of water and then add into your production. But I don't wish to add color to mine. I prefer it white in color. But if you want your own to be colorful, you are free to add color at this stage. And again, if you want your tiles cleaner to come with a nice perfume, at this stage you can also add your perfume. Yes, right now. But I don't add perfume to my own. I already have air freshener in my bathroom, so I don't need to add perfume in my tiles cleaner. So at this junction, we are done with our production of tiles cleaner. All you need to do now is to allow it to settle for like 6 hours so that all these foams will come down and you have yourself a very effective tiles cleaner solution that can easily remove a very tough stain on your tiles, ceramics and grouts. Even if it's an old tiles, use this particular tiles cleaner on it and you will be surprised on how it will sparkle down your tiles. So please, at this junction, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel because I have a lot of productions coming up like floor degreaser and gel air freshener. I will be putting it up in my channels. I already have liquid air freshener, I already have liquid soap, I have bar soap, I have body wash, all in my channel. So please check them out and see them. Please practice and send me your feedback. So at this junction, we are done. Thank you for watching. Bye. How to use the tiles cleaner. So you gently spray it on the stained tiles, ceramics or your grouts. Leave it for like 15 minutes. Then scrub it off with a brush and rinse off with a very clean water, and you will have yourself a very clean, sparkling tiles. Thank you.